Today I'm feeling a little run down, so I'm going to drink some warm water and I'm going to add some Shilajit resin in it. This is going to help to revitalize my body and give me more energy. Now, I talk a lot about Shilajit resin, and that is because it is a secret weapon for your health. It increases your overall energy and stamina, and many athletes use it to improve athletic performance. Now, don't let this tar-like appearance fool you. Research shows that Shilajit resin has a powerful impact on our body systems. It's been shown in studies to help with fatigue, brain health, immune system support, pain relief, diabetes management, protection from certain cancers, prevention of inflammation and viral infections, and it also helps to protect our heart and improve our skeletal systems. Now, many companies are offering different kinds of Shilajit. However, many of them have been proven to be very impure, and that's why I always use Natural Shilajit Resin, and this is because they have been fact-checked and offer a pure and healthy form of Shilajit. Now, if you want, check my bio for a link to Natural Shilajit and a discount code. You know, one thing I need to tell you is everything doesn't work for everyone. And if you have any health issues, please consult your doctor first.